Now that we've started our meeting and admitted anyone from the waiting room into the meeting, we can go ahead and start with recording our meeting and sharing our screen. So in this bottom toolbar here, you'll see lots of options. On the right side, you can see this record icon. When you press that, you have the option to record to the computer, and that's the easiest way to do this. And now you can see that there's a recording in process in the upper right-hand side. If you want to share your screen, go to the screen share icon, press that. You have the option to share your entire screen or certain application windows. I'm just going to share my entire screen. And if there's a video that you want to show participants and you want them to be able to hear the sound on the video, just go to the share options and then you can press the share sound option, which I have done. Now you can go ahead and press share, and you can see indicated in the green here that we are currently screen sharing. And then right next to that is the red stop share button. So I'm going to press that when I'm done sharing my screen. And then if at the end of the meeting I want to stop my recording, I can just go ahead and press this stop recording button. Now our recording has ended, and then to end our meeting, you can just press this red end button. End meeting for all. And now you've learned how to successfully lead a Zoom meeting.